For heavy cleaning of aluminum, chrome, or stainless steel, use Flitz Metal Pre Clean. Spray on, agitate, and rinse off. Flitz Metal Pre Clean makes short work of removing brake dust, salt, corrosion, mag chloride, and hard water stains. A little agitation with a stiff brush on tough spots, and you're ready for polish in no time at all. No matter what size job, Flitz Paste Polish has all the muscle you need to get the job done. Polish and restore tarnished auto trim. Remove heat discoloring on chrome exhaust pipes. Eliminate faded and oxidized paint. Give new life to fiberglass gel coat. Flitz Flat Matte Cleaner cleans today's matte and flat finishes and paint jobs without adding gloss or shine. A simple spray and wipe is all it takes to remove oils, bugs, and fingerprints and restores the flat matte finish to new. Protect your ride for up to a full year with Flitz Ceramic Sealant and never waste a Saturday waxing your car again. The ultra hydrophobic action adds gloss and makes water sheet right off to keep water spots to a minimum. Protects your wheels from hard to remove brake dust. The NANO-CERAMIC formula adds a stone-tough layer that protects against UV rays, road debris, and salt, and makes bird and bug debris come right off. Protect that finish with Flitz Ceramic Sealant. Even heat is no match for Flitz Ceramic Sealant. For in-between touch-ups, nothing beats Speedy Seal, the ultimate detail spray. Protect your paint and give it a finish as slick as a skating rink. Washable and reusable Flitz buff balls come in different sizes to help with every size job. The large 7-inch buff ball takes on big areas with ease. From big wheels to toolboxes and tailgates, you'll breeze through even the largest jobs. The 5-inch buff ball will make short work of car wheels, trim, faded fiberglass, yellowed acrylic, and more. The 3-inch buff ball takes on those small and tight areas, giving you the speed and pressure you need to remove oxidation and really bring out the best in the surface. Wheel cutouts and chrome spokes have met their match. The Flitz 2-inch buff ball with extended shaft gets into places as small as 1 inch in diameter and reaches all those hard-to-get-at spaces. Flitz buff balls fit any 3/8 inch corded or cordless drill or air tool, and they're washable and reusable.